Successful advocacy requires a pincer movement. You need an inside game and an outside game. The inside game is what happens in the halls of power. Writing briefs, testifying in committee, meeting with staff. This provides the technical solution. The outside game is what happens in the streets. Rallies, op-eds, social media storms. This provides the political pressure. If you only have the inside game, you are easily ignored. If you only have the outside game, you are just noise without a solution. You must coordinate the two. Crucial to the outside game is message discipline. Your coalition must sing from the same hymnal. You need 3 key talking points, and you must repeat them until you are sick of them. Use pivot phrases. When a reporter asks about the cost, you say, "That's an important question, but the real cost is the lives we are losing every day," and pivot back to your frame. Do not let the opposition distract you. If you spend all your time rebutting their points, you are losing. Assert your own affirmative narrative. We have talked about the rule of rescue. Use it. Storytelling is strategy. You need a face for your issue. Ryan White changed the AIDS debate because he was a sympathetic victim, a hemophiliac child who broke the stigma. Find the person who is hurt by the current policy. Put them in front of the camera. Let them tell their story. Data informs the mind, but stories move the heart and the vote. Timing is everything. You cannot force a window to open, but you can be ready when it does. If a school shooting happens, have your mental health bill ready. If a pandemic hits, have your public health infrastructure bill ready. Link your issue to the breaking news. This makes your policy brief relevant. A brief has a short shelf life. If you don't use it when the iron is hot, it becomes a historical document. Remember the psychology of the policymaker. They have 3 needs: re-election, good policy, and good press. Frame your policy as a win for them. Senator, if you pass this, you will be the hero of the senior citizens in your district. Give them the credit, let them cut the ribbon. Advocacy is not about your ego, it is about the outcome. If you let the politician take the credit, they will do what you want. Finally, play the long game. Major social change takes decades. Tobacco control took 40 years. Universal coverage took 100 years. Do not get discouraged by a loss. Incrementalism is okay. Take the half loaf, declare victory, and come back for the rest next year. The most important thing is to keep the coalition together. If you burn bridges after a loss, you lose the war. To review Module 7, we have equipped you with the tools of the trade. You know how to write the brief. You know how to map the stakeholders. You know how to amplify your message through media. And you know the strategic history of the ACA. You are now dangerous. You have the capacity to disrupt the status quo. Your assignment this week is to write that policy brief. 2 pages, single-spaced. Professional formatting, pick a real topic, maybe one from the earlier modules like organ donation, or raw milk, or supervised injection sites. Address it to a real person. I want to see you apply the bluff method. I want to see a clear, actionable recommendation. Convince me. Next week is our final module. We will look at implementation, the black box, where policy turns into reality. We will also look at the future, AI, global health, and the next frontier of bioethics. Finish strong. I leave you with this. Advocacy is the pursuit of justice with the tools of power. You have the tools. Go right. See you in Module 8.